Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print stock inventory valuation in Odoo. So this report shows the value of your inventory for any date range. It tracks opening stock, movements and closing stock value. It's useful for accounting audits and financial reporting. With this report you can see the exact value of your stock on any date. It tracks what you have, what come in, what went out, and what's remain. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Day Stock Inventory Valuation. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory app and under the reporting menu you can easily see here this menu inventory valuation report. Now configure here company from date to date. Select here product, and if you won't allow this option, only storable product, this true, otherwise not. Select here valuation method, standard price, average cost or first in first out. I select all method. Warehouse your company. Display here this location that which is product storable. If you want 0 point this product, then allow this, otherwise not. Include adjustment also include or include internal transfer also. Available here report mode, detailed, summary and grand total only. I want this detail level and also available quantity format, signed quantity ERP style or absolute values only. I want this ERP style. Available here 3 options, view on screen or print in PDF or Excel format. First I want to print in PDF format. And see here this printed report in PDF format. Company name, warehouse, from date to date. Display here this product code number, product name, category, unit of measure, available method this product for, total opening quantity, and this for value. And also display here total. If you want to see more details, then also available here in notes. Define for here openings, purchase sales adjustment, closing, and also display this how many count this total available values based on this method. All value sources from source valuation layers, standard equal to product price and average cost. Now I want to print in Excel format. Display here this details about this product category and opening and closing values. Now I want to view on screen. Display here category wise. And also available here filters, category subtotals, grand totals, non-zero closing, balance warning, standard cost. So available in this standard code, first in first out. This method is not applied for this. And also display here category wise. So using this, this helps financial team, auditors and management trust the inventory numbers. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.